In this video, I'll guide you through how to turn on notifications in Google Calendar so you never miss an important event or meeting again. We'll walk through the process step by step on a computer, and by the end, your calendar will be set up to show alerts right on your desktop. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that you actually use for your events, especially if you have more than one account. Once the page loads, you should see your calendar with your events laid out by day, week, or month. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the small gear-shaped icon. This gear is where Google keeps all the main settings for calendar. Click on that gear icon to open the quick settings menu. You'll see a few options appear, but we're going to go directly into the full settings area so we can adjust notification behavior properly. From that menu, click on the option labeled Settings. This will open a new page or panel with a list of different setting categories on the left side and the details for whichever category you select on the right. It might look a bit overwhelming at first, but we only need to focus on one area. On the left-hand side, look for the section called Notification Settings. Depending on your version, this might appear under a broader heading like General, but the wording will clearly refer to notifications. Click on Notification Settings to open up all the options related to how and when Google Calendar alerts you. Now, in the notification section, look for a part that controls how alerts appear on your computer. You'll see a drop-down menu associated with notifications. This drop-down might currently be set to something like Alerts, Off, or Use Browser Default, depending on how your browser and calendar were configured before. Click on that drop-down to see all the choices available. From the list of options, select Desktop Notifications. Choosing this option tells Google Calendar to show pop-up alerts directly on your computer screen when an event is about to start, as long as your browser is open and you've allowed notifications for that site. If your browser asks for permission to show notifications, make sure to click Allow, or they won't appear. Once you've selected Desktop Notifications, your changes are usually saved automatically. You can stay on this page and further customize event-specific notifications later, such as how many minutes before an event you want to be reminded, but the main setting for turning on desktop alerts is now active. That's all you need to do to turn on notifications in Google Calendar. With desktop notifications enabled, you'll get timely reminders for your upcoming events without having to constantly check your calendar tab.